Hello, library friends. Today's lesson is going to help us explore some websites. Have you ever been stuck when your teacher says, "What do you want to learn about? What topic would be interesting for you?" Well, then the next 5 websites are for you. So many good readers get ideas from, well, what they read. So over at factmonster.com, you can click on different links by genre. While at storylineonline.net, different narrators will read different storybooks for you. Epic.com has books that you can have read to you, or you can choose to read them yourself. If you're looking for some nonfiction, head on over to News ELA. There's many different topics there. And then once you get a topic, if you need some different ideas where to go, you can go to World Book Online. Once you're ready with that information, lots of readers decide to publish. So the next 5 websites on the Padlet are for places for you to go to publish. Flipgrid.com, you can make videos of what you've learned about. DuckDuckMoose.com allows you to draw and tell the things that you've learned. With ABCya.com's Paint, you can draw and write about your findings. BookCreator.com is exactly what it sounds like. You can create your very own book online. And then finally, Read, Write, Think Interactives has lots of different graphic organizers for you to organize your information in. I know as beginning writers in 2nd grade, we often have difficulty with that. So graphic organizers are a great way to get started with your writing. These skills are going to be useful for you throughout not only your school career, but your life. We always need topics to learn about and to write about.